Also, one of the things when we started using Zipline was okay, all of the examples say I don't know, get assets initialized and process your data in camel data and so on. And then it's like, okay, I want to change another asset to work with another asset, but then you need to modify code again, which is a bit difficult to work with, and also not just assets. So you might have another 5, 10, 20 parameters that you want to change and to test your algorithm, how it works with them. So practically with JSON, we try to we want to add some parameters so that you don't need to modify your algorithm if you want to run it just with a different asset, if you want to run it with different numbers for something or whatever. So it's pretty easy to use. I don't use configuration here, but it's just context config, and you can use it like that and use any parameter. This is what we use for parsing parameters. So it's pydantic. So most people that use Python know about pydantic. So it's for converting this JSON to this class in Python and practically just inherit base algorithm config. And you can then specify whatever you want here. And as long as this JSON is looking like this schema, it will be parsed automatically. So you don't need you just need to specify path to the config file. Let me see if I can. Yeah, so when you run simulation, you just pass a path to the config file, and that's it. So you don't need to call parsing manually or whatever. So you just create, as long as the config class is available inside this file, it will be visible to Zipline, and it will be parsed. That JSON will be parsed automatically into this schema, and you can just use it like a regular Python code.
Okay, perfect. And if I don't want to use config file, so
you just don't need to use it. So you can just delete this and that's it. So you don't need to use it, and you can just pass none as a config file, and that's it. So it's not a requirement. So you don't need to use that. It's just if you want to use it. So if you want to work like you worked before with adding everything, like it's in this example, statically putting asset names and everything. So you can do that. So it's not a requirement. It's just for flexibility.